Hello everyone, just wanted to give you an update of the projects. So I've got them all edged up, all the bark taken off that I want to take off. Everything's scraped and cleaned up and ready for the next stage. And just I want to explain what it is I'm making too. So this is Carob. This is going to be a coffee table / chessboard. It's 48 inches long by about 20 inches wide. The chessboard's going to go right in this area, I think, and it's going to be 19 by 19, which is pretty standard size. That gives you 2-inch squares for your chess pieces. And it will go over this little river here. But I got a good idea for how to still make this a very functional chessboard. But there'll be other parts to this one. There's going to be a tabletop, and then there'll be something that actually goes underneath so you can store parts, remotes, whatever you want. This is chocolate mesquite. These are going to end up being bookends, bookshelves, wall art. But I also plan to make a cradle that holds this, and you can mount it to a wall. But it will have LED lights and kind of showcase these pieces right here. This is our Acacia. Pretty cool stuff. I already know what I'm going to do with this as far as colors. I picked up yesterday a red, purple, and blue from Unique Wood Supply and Design. I already had this color here. This is yellow, orange, and red. But what I'm going to do is the bottom layer here. The bottom layer about, I don't know, ½ an inch thick or so of the purple, blue, and red. And then, since I got a cool CNC machine, I'm gonna actually put some river currents in here and basically give it some orange highlights and streaks. I've never seen this effect, and it will look especially cool because what I'm going to end up doing, I'll put that bottom layer in there, I'll fill this up with clear, and then when I'm done, I will flip it upside down, and I will CNC those grooves in that I was talking about. And then you'll have this, once it's all finished, you'll have this cool 3D effect where you see these orange currents going through. But this stuff is pretty cool because it changes all kinds of colors based upon the direction that you're looking at it. It's going to be awesome. But I could also always change this into a couple of end tables too. This is 42 inches long, and it's going to be about 18 to 20 inches wide. And then this is our Argentine Mesquite. This is a bit bigger, not nearly as thick as this one. This one's almost 2 inches thick, and this is 1.25 inches or so, probably when everything's said and done. But this can be, right now it's just a coffee table that's 60 inches long. I don't know what colors I'm going to use. But I could easily cut this in half, just like this guy over here. I could also quarter it up and make a square table out of it. That would be kind of cool. Yet to be decided on that. So, but stay tuned. I'll probably do a live and for the next little stage, just for a little bit. It's pretty time consuming and tedious, but it'll probably take 4 or 5 days to get every single little teeny crack like this stuff. This whole has to get filled in before we can do our big pour in the molds. And I have to make molds for these. But yeah, these little cracks and stuff like this, that all needs to get filled in before we do the pour. Otherwise, we'll have tons of bubbles. Bubbles are bad. Anyway, stay tuned.